Have you walked into your garden and found your tomatoes, peppers, and beans covered with stink bugs? If so, you're not alone. These pests can damage your harvest quickly. Today, I'm going to show you how I deal with stink bugs and other pests naturally and share a few simple tips that help protect my garden without relying on harsh chemicals. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you'll never miss another garden tip. First thing you should do in your garden is to inspect your plants every morning or whenever it is that you come outside. I do, and that's how I was able to catch my problem with stink bugs and ants. Secondly, you want to weed. The more you weed, the more you lessen the opportunity for pests to get into your garden and become a nuisance. Thirdly, if you find that you have fruit that has been damaged, you want to remove it immediately. Um, I wouldn't necessarily put it in somewhere close to your garden, put it in your compost pile, or toss it into your trash bins, but remove it from your gardening area immediately. The fourth step that you can do is to encourage beneficial insects that can help to control your pest. Beneficial insects such as ladybugs, praying mantis, and assassin bugs, they can help. If you feel that you have a severe problem with bugs in general, I suggest using a DIY concoction, or DIY rather, concoction that can help, and you're not necessarily putting any chemicals into your garden. What I use is Castile soap and peppermint oil, and I mix a few drops of the soap into a pump sprayer along with the peppermint oil, and the oil and the soap emulsify, and I spray that onto my plants. Now, you want to spray early in the morning so that it has a chance to dry off, or preferably in the afternoon or in the evening hours so that it doesn't affect your beneficial pollinators or anything like that. So we're going to go ahead and mix up a batch, and then we're going to spray. First thing you should do in your garden is we went ahead and we mixed up a gallon of my spray, and with my pump sprayer, we're just going to spray it or coat the leaves of the plant. In this case, this is my persimmon tree, and I noticed when I came out that there are telltale signs that something has been eating the leaves, and there's also the remains or poop from the culprit that was doing the eating. So we're going to give this tree a spray and then move on to my tomatoes, and then after that we're going to move over to my sweet potato bed that I showed you. Now, you want to spray and ensure that everything is coated. And as with everything, when it rains, it's going to get washed off. So you're going to have to come out and do it again. Now, this is what I was talking about as far as problems with the pest. You can see that something literally has eaten a nice hole into this tomato. So we're going to just go ahead and discard this and continue our spraying. Signs that you may have a stink bug problem: small white or yellow spots on the fruit, misshapen tomatoes or peppers, tiny holes or sunken areas where the bugs have been feeding, adult bugs hiding underneath leaves or around developing fruit. A couple videos back, I was in my sweet potato bed, which we are heading to now, and I was actually picking them out of the bed here. And you'll notice what they look like. They look they have like a kind of a triangular shape. And when you pick them and squeeze them to get rid of them, they have not an overly powerful stinky smell, but it's not very pleasant either. Some more prevention tips that you can do: make sure that you're watering consistently, have good air flow around your plants, make sure that your plants are properly fertilized, and always inspect your plants to look for signs of a problem before it becomes a infestation. Consistency is the key. A few moments of walking around and inspecting can lessen a problem or actually prevent a problem before it starts. So I hope these tips help you, just like they've helped me, to keep my insect and stink bug problem under control. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave me a comment. What are some of the methods that you all use to combat pests in your garden? If you enjoy videos such as this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell all, and I'll see you in the next one.